Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to open NatWest bank account online. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser on your phone or on your PC, and after that you will have to go to natwest.com. This is the official website. Then once you open it, it will show this homepage. Go to products up right here, just hover over it, then go to bank accounts and click on see all our bank accounts. After that, it will show you every bank account they provide. You will just have to read them carefully in order to determine which one you are going to choose. So here in my case, as you can see, it will show you every requirements of making each kind of account and also what benefits that you will get from the account. So here in my case, I'll choose this first option, everyday bank account. So I'm gonna click on it, and after that will jump me directly to this section. I'm gonna click on show me more, and be careful that you must be over 18 plus you have to be a UK resident to apply. So I'm gonna click on show me more. Then here it will show this page. Now I can click on ready to apply. Then it will scroll you down just right here, and now they'll ask you to check the important legal information. So you have to click on this plus sign and see all the information about the bank account, and then you can scroll down, then click on continue, and here it will show exactly how you can make an account. So they will ask you first if you already have an account or not, but here in my case I'm a new customer, so I'm gonna choose the first option, then click on next. Then they will ask you, what would you like to do today? Do you want to open a joint select account? Joint account is an account that can be managed by two people at the same time, but here in my case I will open a sole select account because I will just run it separately without anyone with me. So I'm going to choose the first option, then click on next, and now they will tell you that you are all set. Now you have to start your application, so I'm going to click on this button, and here as you can see it will show you this page. Now you have to fill in all of your information and make sure to fill in the information accurately without any mistakes, because this application will be sent to the bank itself, and after that one of the employees will review all of your information and see if it's correct or not. Then after that you will get the approval or the refusal. So here as you can see they will ask you about the title of your name. So here in my case I'll choose a doctor, for example, because I'm a doctor. Then you'll have to choose the gender, the first name, the last name, and they will ask you if you have a middle name. When you click on yes, it will show you this box. You have to fill in also the middle name, then when were you born, your mobile number, email address, and after that you're gonna click on next. Then you have to review your information and click on submit, and when you get the approval, an email will be sent to you telling you that you are approved. And actually this is a very quick and easy process, and if you have any issues you can simply chat with the customer support, or you can click on chat to Cora. As you can see they will help you using the AI. Here's a small bot that can help you. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.